Thanks to all your support and viewership, we have hit 100 subscribers. We wanted to create this quick video to thank all of you, talk about some of our upcoming content, and our first giveaway. Of course, we're going to keep creating content for the DJI digital FOB system, and we also got our hands on a GoPro Hero Session 5. So we're going to create some videos and guides on this camera here. Also, we're looking to switch over from this iFlight DC5 frame that we've been using for probably 8 months now. It's still in very, very good condition here. We want to switch over from this frame over to the HD1 from Rotoride. And this frame's been sitting here in the package for several months waiting for the DC5 to break, and it just won't break. So I think we're going to call it and switch over. Lastly, we got our first 3D printer, an Ender 3 Pro, and we're going to create a series of videos on what it takes to take this printer from a pile of unassembled parts to hopefully printing some beautiful TPU for our drones. All right, the moment of truth. For our first giveaway, we've chosen to give away a Grip battery pad. We recently posted a review of this battery pad, and we were super impressed with how well it worked and how well it prevented the battery from being ejected. So we wanted to help one of our viewers get this onto the quad. So bear in mind, guys, that we are not sponsored and we actually purchased all these products ourselves at retail prices. We'll post the details of the giveaway in the description below, but ultimately just post a comment on this video between now and August 23rd. We will randomly select one of the commenters who will receive this battery pad. Now, we promise to give away something a little bit more sizable on the next giveaway, but we'll start with this first, and hopefully this does save someone's battery from being ejected. Thanks again for all your support. Make sure to like, subscribe, and definitely comment.